This is Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today we will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you need to make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Next, launch the Play Store and at the search bar type in Opera, just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the app as well as set it up. In here you want to tap on this blue continue button, then choose whether the following options will be enabled from the start. So I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Finally, this page provides you with an opportunity to either customize the permissions, access, and cookies and what's not that you're going to grant the Opera with, or you can simply allow everything that it needs, which I'll do myself, and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.